Hello, this is Kim Griffiths English. Today, let's look at to grow or to grow up. What's the difference and how do we use it? Both are verbs, and grow up is a phrasal verb. It's a neutral phrasal verb, not informal. If we use the example of a small baby, with time it grows into a child. So its size increases, it grows. And if we think about a plant, it also grows and has more leaves and it is taller and its size increases. So both at this stage are increasing in size and we can say they grow. With time, the tree will develop into being a large tree with many leaves, but it is still using the verb to grow. So the plant has grown into a large tree. Whereas with the child, with time, they will grow up. So they will develop from being a child into an adult. In my picture, it is a boy or it could be a girl who is now a man or a woman. So we classify humans with having an adult mature brain as grown up. So the child thinks about toys and the adult has an adult brain and they think about responsibilities. We can also use this phrasal verb in a more informal way, which is a little rude or not polite. If someone is irritating you and acting like a child, you can say, "Grow up." So telling them to act like an adult. But remember, it's not polite. My students ask me what about their pets, their animals, their dogs and cats. Because we do sometimes call our pets he or she, and we give this idea that they have human brains and human characteristics in their brains. When our pet has grown and is an adult and maybe has puppies, some owners of pets could say, "Oh, mummy's baby is a grown up," meaning that it is an adult, and in our eyes it's more mature in a human way. But this is not the official way to use it. This is just if we humanize and give human qualities to our animals. So, let's go over the basic then. To grow is to get bigger or to develop. To grow up is to become an adult, to mature, and only for humans. Look at the dictionary excerpt here and it says of a person. We can also use it as an adjective to mean an adult, daughter, son, person, or a grown up as a noun, which we often say to children. Your turn. Have a look at the sentences and decide if it's grow or grow up and what tense the verbs would be in. Ready for the answers? Here are the answers. Did you get them right? So remember, grow, get bigger, develop, grow up. A human becomes an adult.